We have the 2014 BMW 1000 Double R. Yeah, that aero exhaust on there. Oh man. That Rizoma. These are stock, right?
No, these are the Gillis.
Oh.
Yeah. I used to have another one, but they were not made for the bike, and something happened. I had to change, and this is the one that goes well with the BMWs.
Yep. Oh my goodness, that's the screen.
Yeah. It has the lights on because of turn signals. I need to find the resistors for them. Yeah, I took the original one and put those, so because of that, the lamp light always comes on. Yeah.
You ain't never even laid her down, huh?
Nah, this kind of scratch against the wall at the house. Real stupid of me. You have too many bikes sometimes. It's kind of. I love that thing, man. Smooth.
Really reliable too, is what I've always heard.
No problems. That's why I tell folks all the time. I'm like, look, if you're gonna buy a bike and that's your only bike, go with the S1K. And then if you're gonna get a second or third, then if you have the money, I say go with the Duck if you can, but don't go with the Duck first.
Crazy, right?
Yeah.
Also threes. Got Pirelli on there. Let's go. I like this 46 on there too, man.
Yeah. I'm a big fan of this.
It's the Forrest Whitaker.
Yeah.
You know, the asymmetric, man.
That's why I don't get rid of it. I'm like, that light,
yeah.
I love that light.
Crank.